hindi pesos. Thanks!
Andyan ng live mo.
And thanks for sending, what is that? Oh, 20.
20?
What ito siguro?
Peso mo din.
Oh, where you're from?
Wow, i-heart mo ka na gusto.
Ay, dati ada iti ko ada iti nagalan. Ano ba tawag dito sa YouTube?
Okay, mais.
Good evening. Good evening.
Smiling,
Good evening to. It's 8 o'clock here.
Ano ka tatanga din nga guon?
Kita man yung
Gan. Tapos si Kate mga ninaringan ata jela ang ganti ko mo. Ay, Jesu ba day?
Turner.
Turn around. Ikaw, turn around. Tapos ikaw, turn around. Siya lang yung turn around.
Parang si ano si
Oo. O, diba?
This so is from India. So that the money that is that they gave is what the money that
It's not a 20. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
Oh, total eclipse na. Problem.
And thanks for dropping by. Every now and then I get a little bit tired of listening to the sound of my tears. Every now and then I get a little bit nervous that I've got so full the years have gone by. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified and then I see the look in your eyes. Every now and then I fall apart. Every now and then I fall apart. Every now and then I get a little bit restless and I feel something wild. Every now and then I get a little bit helpless and I'm lying like a child in your arms. Every now and then I get a little bit angry and I know you've got to get a little cry. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified by the little look in your eyes. Every now and then I fall apart. Every now and then I fall apart. And I need you now tonight. And I need you more than ever. And if you only hold me tight, we'll be holding on forever. And we'll only making it right. 'Cause we'll never be wrong. Together we can take it to the end of the line. Your love is like a shadow on me all the time. I don't know what to do and I know this isn't right. We're running out of powder, we've been giving us more. I really need you tonight. Forever's gonna start tonight. Forever's gonna start tonight. By the time I was falling in love, but now I'm only falling apart. There's nothing I can do until the eclipse of the heart. Thanks for the 2 million viewers in the house. Yes.